Hi everyone, it's Neil. I wanted to do a very quick unboxing of the new MacBook Pro. Specifically, this is 16-inch M4 Pro Space Black nano-texture display. Given my workflows, I primarily use Mac desktops, but for traveling and maybe when I go outside, I typically use a MacBook Air. So I don't use MacBook Pro too often. I do have older generation by a year or two that I use. This is the first time, though, that I'm going to be seeing and using a 16-inch display, specifically 16.2 inches. So this is a little bit different for me. And I will say, when I first picked this up, I am shocked at really how substantial this is. And I think it just really is a byproduct of how different the Mac portable line can be in terms of screen size, weight. Here we go. Let's see what's in the box first, then we'll get to the actual machine. It's a nice braided cord. You know, those who are familiar with Macs will be familiar with this. And we have, let's see. So designed by Apple in California, MacBook Pro. Again, pretty usual stuff compared to new Apple products. Little disclaimer regarding the nano-texture display. And here is the polishing cloth, which typically gets a lot of mention on social media. There we go. And then I can't recall how many of these I now have of all different shapes and sizes in the home. We'll just toss this over. And again, this is the space black color. I could definitely see, maybe it's just me, but in terms of calling it space, I do get that connotation of really kind of a rocket or a satellite, or it just really has that certain aura around it. And there you have it. So again, this was just a quick unboxing. Of course, I am going to use this in my workflows, and I'm sure I'll have more comments on how it is and really how it compares to other Macs, including other MacBook Pros. And I will talk to you all later. P.S. It occurred to me, I probably should take this off for a complete and full unboxing. And this is the nano-texture display. My initial impression, and again, I use various Macs, newer, mostly at this point all silicon-based. This display it jumps out at you. I mean, it is my first impression. It does remind me very much of the new iPad Pro that Apple announced earlier this year. The iPad Pro, the updated iPad Pro, has an Ultra Retina XDR display. This has a Liquid Retina XDR display. But yeah, those are my first impressions of after just a unboxing.